The struggles of being a photographer. Sometimes they can be too much, but the results can be rewarding. Greetings all, and yes, I'm a bit earlier out this morning, and people running and jogging and stuff, which is really nice to see. But today, looking over there, we're going to have some real nice orange colours, some real, a little bit of cloud, which I've got to say, the apps, when I was looking at them, two different weather apps, both said totally different things, so had no idea what I was going to come out to this morning. But looking over there, I think it's going to be a good one. I just can't make my mind up on where I want to go. Really quick with this one, so I'm going to quickly sit up because I've got to move. Yeah, I'll go over what it is I'm doing in just a second. Preload down on this one, and basically some lovely oranges, and there's a little bit of cloud, and this one is just, I really like it, and it's quite a silhouette. So I've got the horizon, it's on the lower third, and I've got the pier, which is also silhouette, which is on the lower left third, just on that cross point. And looking at the histogram, because of how the light is, it is far to the left, and I've got it just so it's just not clipping. And some beautiful midtones in that. It is, it's lovely. And this is one of them, you look at this thing, oh wow, it's so beautiful, and love it. But I've got to be quick, so I've got to pack up, and I'll quickly take this, pack up, and leg it to the next place. Well, I know it's a rush doing that one, but I think it's beautiful. I've got to mention the settings on that one. It was ISO 400, 5th for second, f14, but I've got to be quick because I think we're going to get some more nice ones here today. And you've got to admit though, it's looking beautiful out there, absolutely beautiful. I think I've got a bit more of a dilemma on than just doing photography stuff. The dilemma I've got is obviously getting video footage for the video, because I'm up against time at the minute because I stopped to take that first photo, and I'm up against it at the minute. I've got 15 minutes till the sun actually rises. I'm about 10 minutes away from where I want to be. I think I've just about made it. I've literally now got about 5 minutes to set up, but luckily I already knew the composition and what I wanted to get, so here we go. But I've got to say that's a close one, and literally the sun is just now poking. With seconds to spare. Oh, well, I'm going to talk you through this one. Down on the front here, got this. It's like this little stream actually leads into the sea, which is a lovely, nice little, like, it's a bit of a wiggly curve, but it leads in. Groin coming from the left, and literally that sun just poking over the horizon, which is on that top left third, and the groin out to the left is really dark, almost clipping, but not quite, because I don't want it to clip. But made it. Number 2 for the day. It's one thing I say is there's so much that can go wrong in photography that I really should have left that a little bit earlier. But then again, I'd have missed that first shot. So it's such a fine balance. It really is. But yeah, that's that first one. The settings for it as well, if I could just bring them up here, was it's actually ISO 400, f14 80th of a second. Now that the sun's rising, drop that ISO down a little bit, and just to reduce the risk of increasing noise. And yeah, don't ever be frightened of that ISO. I've done a video on that one before. If you need to ramp it up, ramp it up. And the thing is with ISO is in that first part of the morning, the blue hour, leading into just before that sun rises, increase that ISO just that little bit. So you want to be around about the 200-400 mark. Once that sun's up, drop it straight back down again. Oh, I can relax now. Mixed berries. Very nice. I think it's probably going to be the final one of the day. Still in the same place, but what I'm actually going to do is portrait. And I'm trying to get as much detail as possible, because now we've got such a dynamic range here that I'm actually going to exposure bracket this one. So I took 3, as you know, 1 under, 1 correct exposure, 1 over. I'm going to blend them together. I think this one's going to be the final one of the day. And yeah, chill out and relax then. Yeah, it's actually so nice just sitting here. I could sit here for hours. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this one, guys. Take care. Stay safe. I'll see you soon.